gon' do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped your style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright. Cause she know I'm the only one who stood by your side. I don't like to brag on what I do, but you...
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a hair review. Without further ado, let's get to it.
Here I have these Outre lace fronts and the style is Phoenix. I have it in the color Flame Copper, and this is their stock card. As you can see, they have the hair in all different color, guys. This is how the hair look straight from the pack. This color is poppin'. It is a regular cap construction with a comb at the back, the adjustable strap, 2 combs on either side at the front.
Hands used to touch, conversation with no end is no fault.
I'll go right ahead and put the unit on, and you can wear this unit to the side or you can wear it as the center part. I'll go ahead and give you a 360 of the unit.
You took the best of me and turned it into the worst of me.
The cap size is medium, and as you can see, guys, it is a hair-to-hair lace, and it is Swiss lace. I'll go right ahead and remove the lace.
This for me. Don't take it personally. I did this for me. I did this for me.
I am laying some teenager hair, guys.
There's you behind me. But when I turn around, your spirit hides from me. As tears run down my face, I hear your voice say you'll be okay. But it was all
I am using the walk stick to get rid of the flyaways.
a dream. Mr. Grant,
Now I'm adding some mousse to the hair.
go on. The more we try, the harder to move on. Nothing is good in goodbyes. They say love never dies. Mr. Gray Sky.
I am adding the Maybelline Fit Me powder to the parting space. As I begin to style the units, I realize, guys, that this unit tangles a lot. I am using a wide tooth comb to comb the curls out, and I am having problems. So guys, I can't deal with the entanglement. No, I can't.
Let this go on. So I gotta move on.
I am going in again, guys, with the mousse to try and see if this hair will comb easily without all this entanglement, but it didn't work. It still tangles a lot.
Nothing is good in goodbyes. They say love never dies.
This is my final thought, guys. I am not in love with this unit. The only thing I like with this unit is the color. It sheds and it tangles and it is too thin for my liking. But if you enjoy this hair, guys, the link will be in the description down below so you can go and check it out. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, guys, leave your girl a thumbs up, and until next time, bye.
I did this for me. Oh,